Alright guys, we are very excited to be here with you today, and we have the world's oldest boards? You think these are actually the world's oldest? I think this is like a remake replica.
No, that's one of the first pairs of independent trucks, I know that.
It's all cracked right there. 84. I got some action back in the day.
So there's a lot of people that say, back in my day when I skated, it was just two roller skates connected to a 2x4. This is the Aaron Cairo Skate King 1967. This was my first pro model. I was 10 years old, and I rode this barefoot down hills.
That's what you used to practice all your manuals.
That's right. That's right.
That's how you're so good at them.
Yeah. And next we got this. Carlos claims this is the very first pair of independent trucks. One of them. And it has a plastic grind plate.
It's got the copers on there.
So there's gonna be some serious grinding occurring down on this bad boy. Thrasher Spiderweb skateboard. This is actually where Spider-Man originated, was from this board. Stan Lee's board. What do you call this?
Grind plates.
And the best board out of all of them.
Yeah, I know, Doug. When I started skating, we called them copers. Now they're called
Grind
copers.
plates.
And the Freeformer, more than meets the eye. Whole park, they just do a Rochambeau.
What?
And then whoever wins gets to choose the board and go in the
Can you do a
situation
flat
of which they
ground
won.
trick?
You could do a flat ground trick, a bank trick, a rail trick, a ledge trick, a stair trick. So go ahead and...
Russian bow.
Okay. Now you guys go for first. Doug is first. Woo.
See? You know now.
Doug,
You're like Uzi.
Carlos, Fetty, Chris. That's what you're gonna pick?
I think so.
You're gonna nollie heel that.
Oh yeah, look at nose, yeah, absolutely.
I gotta get the other baguette. I'll start off strong for this one.
Ready?
This is what happens when you get last place.
Well, you said you wanted to use the metal.
I mean, I did say that.
Why do I feel like you can do some really good tricks on that?
Because it says Aaron Cairo under it.
Like slide like backwards like this?
I'm gonna all the 3 stairs.
You gonna ollie the 3?
No.
Yeah. All right, let's go.
I want to get Chris a letter right away.
You break it, you buy it.
We gotta take out Chris right away.
You set the trick on that board, everyone has to do the trick on that board.
Okay.
If you get the next trick, then you have to do the next board in the cycle. And it just keeps rotating like that.
Yeah, boy. I'm excited for this.
I am too.
He was like, wait a sec, these wheels don't
Shaking
roll.
the bearings.
Come on, Doug.
I think he just broke it.
Oh no. It's also don't break the board, yes. It's just the rails. No big deal, just the rails. The rails make noise. The new days off are Thursday and Friday.
The week starts so nice, and then the last like Wednesday, like when I start, that's when it just gets nuts.
Did he pop?
Nope.
You gotta pop it.
I was gonna count it.
Did he just quit?
Man, these guys are rough.
You
Better
should
than his
take
no
a letter
pop.
away just for him wearing long johns.
Long Johns.
Yeah, we're gonna 50-50 on something.
Doug is choosing this. I don't know what he's thinking.
Could have seen that coming.
Where's the nollie heel?
Frontside kick turn on the bank.
A frontside kick turn?
Hey, we gotta skate based on the time. Huh?
He's just trying to cheat at this point. What are the chances somebody's gonna miss that? He looked a little rough, but pulled through. Oh, okay. I feel like McNugget was born to ride this thing. Yeah, boy. Woo.
I know what you're talking about.
I don't get it.
Somebody's gonna get wrecked on that. You did? You dropped in on this?
No, yesterday. Why is it so slippery? Everything in this warehouse.
I sort of had my sights on Fetty for that one. No room for error. Doug got this.
Haven't seen Doug skating since last night. See? That's what I mean. That is what I mean. Since last night, I've seen Doug fall on just the most simple things.
How did that happen?
It's an A for Petty.
Ska.
That's an S for McNug.
It's a good thing I'm not playing. I would have been out already. I started on one of these boards.
Doug is actually a fossil.
The only thing that's actually new is his back.
Oh. That's harsh.
That is so hard.
That actually would have been really good.
Just do a turn, it slides out.
That's what I'm thinking. I could literally just power slide something and like everybody would probably fall. Try a front 3 power slide.
What a waste. Could have just done a power slide to regular.
It made no sound.
No.
Can you hear that?
It went like this though. Boom, dunk, boom. Got him.
I literally can't push.
It happens. It happens.
My
Oh my god. It's sad when you can't 50-50 on a skateboard.
I mean, that's what everybody was doing.
Just chopping? Yes.
Flip.
What are they trick selection? I need to like coach them a little bit. Kick flip coconut slide. I don't know, he's playing dirty this early in the game. Doug. Thought he had it. Woo! Boop, boop, boop.
Very nice.
How he pulled through on that, we'll never know, but he did. Is the ground okay?
I'm gonna try and just do something simple. I'm just gonna roll off that.
That was the most terrifying thing I've ever seen.
Good luck, Carlos.
I was scared for your life right there.
Dude, I didn't think it was that far. I just went for it.
That could have ended Doug. He clipped a little bit, you know. Clipper! Clipper. Chris's face, he's like, well, okay. I would have done the same thing. I probably would have went slower and all 4 wheels.
Well, it was nice knowing that board.
It was nice knowing you, Chris.
I can't believe you did that.
Somebody's gonna get wrecked. You'll be fine. You'll be fine. You think Carlos had that?
Wow.
Swanky.
All right, I don't know what this is called. Andy, I understand we need you for this, but I'm gonna do a 360 this. Ready? That's why we need Andy Anderson here, so you can coach me through this.
My shin is screaming.
Yeah, your shin is dead. Look at this guy. What a guy. What a champ.
It has a little bit of a bite to it when you land. It just kind of jerks and stops.
Oh yeah.
First try.
Nollie hill.
Whoa, damage report.
The old Indies. Remember how I was pointing out that it was broken? That's what
They
that
feel
is.
like that is.
It's like a nose ring.
It's like
Look,
aluminum.
I'm Aussie Dan now.
Doug's signature move.
This just remind me of World Star.
Sorry, I was yelling at Doug. He landed it perfectly. Nollie Hill in the background.
It's like as I was popping.
Go ahead, go ahead.
Like, eh.
Who just goes for that?
Fetty is better at doing back 180s than he is at doing ollies.
Oh, no.
There's the problem.
We'll never grind again.
I'm gonna nose pick into the mini ramp.
What is wrong with this guy?
Nope. Is anyone else wondering where Doug's legs went?
I just had that same thought.
Let her.
That's weird. I can do it frontside, no problem. Backside, I just went dyslexic right now.
Everybody else just did a nice little bail, and Fetty just... Oh no, he's got 2 tries. Yeet!
Oh, that's close.
The board isn't bad if the wheels that are terrible.
What's a trick selection?
Wow.
What in the world?
I went to grab it. I
You
grabbed
grabbed
like, yeah, but I grabbed the hardware.
Just when you think it's gonna give everyone a letter, McNug comes through. He's like me. His body is so old that he can't bend down to grab the board, so there's no way he will land this.
I just heard a crack when Doug bent down.
Yeah.
I think his
It was like,
bump.
no. Should we show the people his bump?
Yeah.
Yes, finally! Yes!
You're asking us to do that the entire time.
That's what I've been waiting for all day.
That was scary. I like truck stand on the top
What
truck.
letter is that for you?
I think it's my T. I did the same thing.
Yeah, I do. We gotta get this video over with.
When Carlos gets in the zone, he gets in the zone.
I didn't know Wilby existed back then.
All right, I'm just gonna try and shove it, but it's not gonna work because it's this board.
All right.
Take you out of Benihana's next week, man. That was cool.
That was a nice large pepperoni right there, Carlos.
One more try.
Oh my God.
And he's out.
Carlos and Doug still in the game of skate. Leave a comment below if you think that Carlos has actually given Doug his large pepperoni.
That was legend.
That was really good.
See, the problem is when he tries it when he's not on the camera, he's going way slower. And then it's his turn and he just goes super fast, misses everything. Yeah, he landed.
That was fine.
He was trying to turn. Smart Doug did not turn.
Oh my God.
That was the worst. Doug? His face. Got that though.
I'm mad.
He said I'm mad.
You got this, Doug. We believe in you. Jumanji! Jumanji! Gabe, stop yelling.
That's all, folks.
Check out all the other videos right there. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and we'll see you in the next video tomorrow.